YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and today I want to show you guys, I want to break down how I made this logo right here that I made a while ago. Actually, this logo was actually made 2 years ago, back in 2019. So yeah, this was a while ago. Let me take this off, but I just want to show you guys how this is made. I think it's pretty cool. I just want to break down the little effects and the process to making something like this right here. So let's start off at the very beginning with the layout. So first of all, here's the text, the fonts. I want to show you guys the font, so double click. This font right here is called Battle Road Demo. That's what it's called. All right, I added a rectangle to arc rectangles. What you want to do is grab your rectangle and go for your layer, draw a little rectangle like that. You want to hit Control T and you're gonna right click, you're gonna warp, go up here and you can go arc like that. You're gonna take this little box, drag it in. As you can see, that is how you can curve a rectangle. Shape just makes it look cooler. Next we have editing for the effects. So for these effects, let me just go over how these work. First of all, this effect, how you can make an effect like this for your text. It's actually very simple. So take your text layer, right click, go to duplicate layer. Okay. All right, now what you want to do is you want to hold Control. You're just gonna click on the icon right here and just going to make a selection around your text. You can go to select, modify, and hit contract by, I want to say 15, around there. Looks good. Now we're gonna go to our rectangular marquee tool, then right click, we're gonna select inverse. Now we're gonna right click our layer and we're gonna rasterize so we can actually edit the layer. Then you will hit backspace twice, and hit Control D on your keyboard. Now, you're gonna double click, go into color overlay. As you can see, we can make just a little color. Then right click, rasterize layer style. Go to your pen tool on path up here. Click and drag like that. Close this off. Selection, hit OK, and backspace twice, Control D. There you go. That's how you make this effects right here. So we got the shape, some little flame effects. This is the little hand part. This is all pen tooled. Part 2, edit the little hat. Some more effects up here. Added the staff with a blue flame as well. This is the background composition with the background. This is the little stripes, and here are some additional effects. A stroke, which you can hardly see, but it's there. A blue stroke on the outside. This right here is the result. I just added some gloves as well. That's my watermark. But so yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is extremely short because right now it is currently 3 p.m. and I'm trying to get this video out for today. But yeah, once I get this out, hopefully tonight I'm gonna have time to record more longer, more in-depth videos. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys check out our store. Link is down below. It is also on the screen, gfxcommon.com. The goal is to build our store to the extent where design enthusiasts, GFX artists can purchase templates, scenes, tools, scene files to help with your GFX. Hopefully help you guys with your commissions to earn more money or to learn more, whichever one you want, or both. And also for developers who want a quick way to purchase graphics as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. With that being said, I'm gonna see you guys next time.